So I hope everyone is ready. So please open InDesign application first, and then we're gonna create a new file. So please hit new file button and change the unit as inches. And let's just put the title practice 4, InDesign practice 4. And so the size is 11 by 8.5 inches. It should be a landscape version. And please put number 10 on the pages section and make sure facing pages marked. And scroll down. Please leave the margin as 0.5 and the bleeding is 0.25. And when you're ready, just hit create. Then
Can you please repeat that, please?
Absolutely. Okay, let me.
This is InDesign, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I got like 3 apps open.
It's InDesign. So go to File, New, and Document, and change the unit as inches. And the size is 11 by 8.5, and the landscape view, and 10 pages. And facing pages should be marked. And then we are not going to work with the any types today. So we're going to just skip the the column parts, and the margin just to leave like 0.5, and bleeding is 0.25, and hit create. And you will see 10 pages created. So today, we're gonna work with Photoshop and Illustrator. We're gonna place the original Photoshop and Illustrator files in this InDesign file, which is a huge and great function of InDesign. So to interact, to create the interactive work with the Photoshop and Illustrator. And then the most advantage of this function is so we can edit any images in the Photoshop and Illustrator, and then that applies in this InDesign file automatically. So which is amazing now function. So that is the main purpose of using this InDesign application. So let's just do use do the multi-work with the other applications. So first of all, let's make a cover. So I'm using rectangle frame tool, and I will make a rectangle on this red bleeding line, because this is going to be a cover. And now, 1 second. All right. So now I'm gonna place to one of the file we just download. So, we just downloaded these two files, and first I'm gonna use this cover PSD file. This time we are not gonna drag the file into the frame directly. You can do it. You can absolutely do it because it has only a single page, but I just don't want to show the option when you place a file in this InDesign. So just to create a frame and then make sure it's activated, and then go to file and go to place and go find the cover PSD file you just downloaded. Yeah, very good, Jasmine. Or you can just do like a Command D. So let me just find file cover. And now is important. So when you see this place window, then there are options at the bottom. Then please make sure click this show import options. And then hit open. Then you will see the option window and make sure everything looks good, because this is just PSD file, so there is nothing wrong, but so we can just hit OK. Just make sure this update link option should be when updating link, keep layer visually override. And then hit OK. And now the Photoshop file just placed in this InDesign first page. And now I just want to change this color. Now the intro to computer graphics, this title's color. I just want to change that, but I cannot change it in this InDesign file, right? So now, please open that original file in Photoshop. So now I just opened Photoshop. So see, it has layers, it's editable. So let's just change this color as white. And I want to drop some shadow underneath the title. And make sure this, type layer is activated, and go to FX and drop shadow. Now let me change the angle. And yep, and hit OK if you like it. And now you're gonna save it. So Command S or Control S or go file and go save. And you can just minimize this file, the Photoshop application. You can just minimize the application. And now let's go back to Adobe InDesign. See, the link icon changed to like, a warning icon, right? This one. And when you click it, it just automatically updated. Isn't it cool? How's it going, everyone? Did you see this amazing function? All right, very cool. Now let's do a little bit harder one. It's not that hard actually. It's just the same function, but this time we're gonna place the Illustrator file. That Illustrator file has multiple artboards, so we need multiple pages. So this time, I'm
Sorry,
gonna.
Professor.
Mhm.
Um, once I do the PSD, I save a new file,
PSD. Oh,
like the text edited.
this one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Did you add something
yeah, I added something. Yeah.
and then you have to save it?
Okay.
Save it and then minimize the application, the Photoshop application, and then go back to InDesign. Then on the left top corner of the place the image, normally it has the linked icon, but when you save the Photoshop after editing, then you will see the yellow warning icon, right?
Do you want me to save it as a different file or replace the file?
Just overwrite the file, just to hit
Okay,
save.
okay.
Yeah, not save as.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I can show you how to drop the shadow in the Photoshop. Absolutely, Kevin. So let me just drop this effect. All right. So just make sure activate this, type layer, and then at the bottom of the, layer window of the Photoshop, you will see FX icon. Click it, and you will see drop shadow. And you can change the color. I like purple. And then you can make it darker. You can change the angle. You can change the distance and spread. There's too much. And size. And hit OK if you like it. And now, just to save it. Just to save, not save as everyone. You're gonna override it, save it, go to File and hit Save. And when you go back to InDesign, you will see the warning icon on the left top corner. And just click that icon. Then it's automatically updated. See? It's amazing. I love that function.
Yeah.
I love that. All right. So now let's work with the multiple pages. So this time I'm gonna place the images from the Illustrator. It has 8 images there. So I'm gonna create 8 boxes for each page. So I'm gonna draw a frame for each page like this. Just to make a rectangle box. On each page. You can just place, but I just prefer to do like this, after creating the frame and then place it because I can manage the same size. This, I just, make the 8 boxes. And now change the tool as selection tool. We're going to place the Illustrator file, go to file, go to place. And then please find the Illustrator file. You just download it from the model room. The title is Typography 2. And like the Photoshop, you must mark this show import option. That is the most important part to place multiple pages. So please mark show import options, and you can just leave, replace selected items marked and hit open, and you will see the options. So now we're gonna place all the pages from the Illustrator file. So here, there are page options. So the first one is previewed page. We're not gonna select it. We're gonna choose all pages. So hit all pages. So you will see all 9 pages. And now hit OK. I'm sorry, this box should be activated. So everyone, please, before you place the file, please select any boxes, the first box, and then go to file again, go to place, and make sure show import option. And after, select a file and hit OK. And choose all pages and OK. Well, it's not automatically. Oh, okay. Now then you will see this, the mouse has the images. So just click on the left corner of the each frame and the second page, the third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh page, ninth page. Okay, so let me just delete it. So now,
I swear it didn't work for me.
it doesn't work?
Yeah, it's stuck on the first, like, it just put it on the first page only.
All right. Let me just show it to you again. Okay. So I'll make sure the first frame on the second page should be activated like this with the selection tool. Did you do it?
Yeah, I have that.
And then You have all the frames on each page, right?
Yeah, I have all the box. Yeah.
All right, go to file again, go to place, and select the file, the typography 2, and make sure show import options
Yeah, I got that.
and click open.
Yeah.
And then please choose all on the pages option.
Yeah.
And hit OK. So did you see like this?
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Mhm.
That's all I see.
And then your mouse doesn't look like, it doesn't have
Yeah, it doesn't have the,
images. Yes, yes. In that case, can you press like Control Z?
okay.
Can you see the pages on your mouse?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, now it's ready. So click the first frame on the left top corner. Then it's
Yeah.
gonna be, place the images on the corner from the left corner. So just to keep placing.
Yeah, after I placed the first one, it just took it away.
Oh, really? Give me one
Yeah.
second. Let me just see your right. So Barry, I'm gonna
Okay.
stop recording first. Pause recording. To resume recording. All right, so now please open your Illustrator file, this with this typography 2 file, and then open this layer window. And I lock this sketch pages. So please unlock this page. And then let's just delete this page. And then we're gonna just to show all the design works. You can just drag this layer to the trash can at the bottom and turn on every single layers eyes. And if you want, you can change the design slightly. And now it's just the same process. Hit save, go to file, and save. Now let's go back to InDesign. See, all the links has the warning sign. Just to click all the link sign, and then see there is a pop-up window. The file typography 2 has different layers than the imported version. The link will be updated with the source file's current layer visibility settings. Just keep OK and keep doing it. Then you will see the images changes to the updated version. Okay, Kevin, give me 1 second. Right. So let me go back to the Illustrator. All right, so now you see this, your sketch work pages, right? And just unlock this layer. Please open the layer window. If you cannot find the layer window, go to window and make sure the layer window is marked. And then at the bottom, the students, no, something, sketches layer. What do you mean, Jasnia? It's not an illustrator?
Yeah, I just still see the InDesign.
Oh, you know what? Kevin just asked me to, this layer state.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm just yeah, repeating the same process.
Okay.
Sorry about that. All right. So again, so make sure this lock should be unlocked and click this lock. And then select this student sketch layer. And please drag this layer to the trash can to delete the layer. And then you can just turn on all the layers, because I just want to show this design works in the InDesign pages. Did you do it, Kevin?
Professor,
Mm-hmm.
how did everything just change?
I will show you soon.
Yeah, my mom called me, so
Mhm. I will show you. All right. So please delete this student sketch layers and then turn on all of them and save it.
sorry, can you please repeat that?
Huh? No, I just deleted the sketches layer by dragging the layer to the trash can.
All of it?
Not all of it. So I mean the sketches, all of the sketches. So see, you see this, all the sketches, and the all sketches in this layer. So when you delete this layer, you will, all the sketches are gone.
Okay.
Yeah, just drag this layer to the trash can. And then turn on all other layers.
Sorry, it's not. Okay. So do you want me to just drag all the sketches? Like,
Just only the sketch layer and just to turn on other layers.
okay, because do I click on the layer section on the right or the pages?
I'm here, Illustrator, not InDesign.
Okay.
InDesign.
Oh, you want me to open it and okay.
Yeah, just to turn on the design works on the Illustrator artboards.
I
Yeah,
I didn't realize, sorry.
it's all right. It's first time.
I think my computer crashed. Oh, never mind.
I know. So now we are working on with the other heavy applications together. So yeah, I expect that. Your computer feels
Yeah, I'm
tired today.
yeah, man, it's just been all over the place. I don't know why. Um, do I'm on InDesign now, so like
Okay.
do I just
Okay. Okay. So
oh
did you
Illustrator?
save this? Did you save Illustrator file? You have to save it.
Sorry, there's a bunch of tabs.
Yeah.
Which did I save the Illustrator file?
You have to. You have to save it.
Oh yeah, I need help like changing it. I'm at Illustrator, like the one you told me to open.
Okay. You know what? Let me just give me 1 second.
Yeah, sorry, I keep going back and
Yeah,
forth.
it's all right. So let me just. So again, please when you're done, you can just regulate the size of the images or location by clicking the image. Now, when you put your mouse on the circle with the selection tool, you will see the circle. Then by moving this circle, you can relocate the image on the page. And also when you click this circle, you will see the regulation, the box of the image. And you can change the size of the image on the center with the same proportion by holding Option and Shift on your keyboard. And then you can scale it like this. And to save all these files, you can just delete the last page, the 10th page, because there's any images on the last page. And go to File and go to Package, and please save as a package. Then you will see this nice portfolio, the typographic portfolio pages. This. It's very, very easy, right? So you're going to use that function when you create your own portfolio next week. So so when you're done with this, please post this work file in the Moodle room by tonight, and then by tomorrow, please reply to your peers